Hey guys, welcome back to another episode of Cooking with Auntie Val, narrated by her favorite niece, Brina. Today we will be making chicken salad, yum, 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 the perfect snack for the summer. So these are the ingredients to get started. We're starting off with mini cucumbers. We're doing iceberg lettuce, carrots. We have boiled eggs, corn. I can't wait to see how she throws this together. Let's go ahead and get started. Okay, we have 2 already clean chicken breasts that we are going to cut up here. All right, you just take your chicken breasts and you cut them up to your liking. Looks like she prefers thinly sliced. We're gonna go ahead and slice up the first one down the middle, and then you can start divvying it up half by half. So here she is, just slicing it up, getting it nice, all the sizes proportion, and here she goes. Alrighty, now that Auntie Val has got her chicken breast all cut to her liking, we are going to add it to a medium skillet already being warmed with olive oil. We're going to add a tablespoon of cornstarch to tenderize that meat, and we are going to cook till golden brown, which would be about 10 to 15 minutes, give or take, to your liking. So once we do that, we're going to stir it around, make sure the cornstarch reaches all parts of the cute chicken breast, and then we will go ahead, give it a toss, and set aside as it cooks on medium heat. Alright, in the medium saucepan, we are going to add 1 can of sweet corn, and we are going to doctor that up with some cilantro and a tablespoon of butter. So here you see her gathering up the cilantro. We are going to finely mince that, add it to the pot with the sweet corn, and get that going on medium heat. Alrighty, now that we have the cilantro, the corn, and the paprika in, we're going to go in with a half a cup of water to saturate the corn and the ingredients, making sure that the corn is not burning over the medium heat. We're then going to do the final step of adding a tablespoon of butter and give everything a good stir of love. As always, we want to be a tentative cook, so we do want to go back over and check on the pieces of chicken breast that we have going on the stove. Give those a good stir, make sure that the color is coming along nice, and then we can start going in with our seasonings. We're going to add some paprika, of course, again for color purposes and flavor purposes. We're going to go in with the classic onion powder. We're going to add, a few sprinkles of that. We don't measure in this household. We just sprinkle with love. We're going to go in and add some garlic powder. And then last but not least, we are making a chicken salad. So we're going to go in with our lemon pepper seasoning to add that nice bit of sweet heat. And then, of course, we are going to give it another stir of love, making sure that everything is cooking evenly, everything is coated evenly, and it's, to Auntie Val's liking. As always, cleanliness is next to godliness. Make sure that you clean up your cooking area and that you start to prep for the next step. So next, we're going to go ahead and give it one last and final stir. Make sure that everything is going good. And then we are going to walk back over and start the process of preparing the other ingredients that we have. Alrighty, so you want to go ahead and grab your romaine lettuce. We are going to cut it, and we are going to start to just, getting it prepared for wash. Because yes, wash your veggies, people. We are going to go ahead and get all this together and, give it a good wash, rinse under running water with our fruit and veggie wash. So let's go ahead and get that going. Now that the romaine lettuce is all washed, we are going to add to a salad bowl, and we are just going to break apart the pieces. It doesn't have to be perfect or in uniform. We're just going to simply break them apart so that you're not putting too big of pieces in your mouth when you eat your salad. So just break it apart to your liking. Once again, wash your fruits and veggies. We're going to take a freshly washed carrot and grab our shredder or our grater, and we are going to grate that carrot down to add to the recipe. For this particular recipe, only one carrot is needed, so you will see her grating that carrot down until done. right, once you grate and set aside your carrot, you are then going to add your second ingredient, which is 1 full large bell pepper. We're going to rinse our vegetables once again. You will see her going ahead with a sharp knife and going ahead and breaking down that bell pepper and chopping it to her liking. Not too big of a pieces. They're not cubes, but they are thinly sliced. So gotta go wash. Alrighty, so the next ingredient we are going to use are our mini cucumbers. For the last and final time, people, wash your fruits and veggies. Everything is coming along nicely. The chicken is cooking on medium. You see how yummy and delicious that corn and cilantro looked. The iceberg lettuce, the shredded carrots. Last and finally, we've cut up the mini cucumbers. So now it is time to put everything together. Watch this masterpiece come to work. Alrighty, we're ready to go. Simple as that, boys and girls. Ladies and gentlemen, we are going to take our chopped, cooked chicken breasts. Don't they look delectable? We're going to add them to the salad bowl, top them over our chopped up romaine lettuce. And then we are going to go in with the rest of the ingredients. We're going to grab that delectable cilantro corn, add that into our salad bowl with our already cooked chicken breasts. We're going to grab those shredded carrots and go in and add them to the bowl as well. Grab your mini cucumbers along with your bell peppers, and we are going to add those both to the bowl as well. Last but very not least, grab those 3 boiled eggs and we are going to slice them to our liking, and also, yes, you guessed it, add those to the salad bowl as well. We're going to add a pinch of paprika and ground black pepper for taste purposes, just over the portion of the boiled eggs. this heat, you cannot beat a more balanced, healthy, yummy, quick, efficient meal like this. Full of protein, green, colorful, fresh vegetables, and overall the flavor is amazing. Grab your favorite dressing and please enjoy. And this has been another episode of Cooking with Auntie Val. Your support is everything to me. Please like, please share, please subscribe, click the link. Thank you so much for watching, and don't forget to subscribe. Tell a friend.